This is a set of uh, wide form of data in CSV or Excel form. Just observe here. This is household ID, means this is household survey. So there are 7 household: household 1, household 2, household 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 household data, and the data is in the way the variables you see in age 1, age 2, age 3, age 4, age 5. This means the age of the 5 members of a household, means this is complete one household record. And these are the members of household, five members of household, the education of 5 members of household, and this is marital status of 5 members of household. And these are the uh, also some variables, just light source, lightning source, water source. This is the household data. So you can see here, this sheet is the wide form of data. Actually, data should be like you see this age, um, education, uh, married, and data should be like this. For example, 12, like this. Okay, for member 1, member 2, this is the personal ID of household. This is the household head ID, household ID. For example, for first household, for this household 1 ID, household 1, this person, this is the first person, so its ID is 1, and age is 45, so 45. And education is first household member education is here, that's 4, it's coded in 4. And the marital status is here, just the 1. So similarly, for second household member, but household is the same, this household ID is the same, so this is 1 again. But household member ID, this is personal ID is 2, because it's 2 number of household. And its age is 12. And education is you find 3 here, 3 code, so it's a 3. And marital status is 1. So actually data should be in this form, this like this form. This is the long form of data, this long form. But this data is in the wide form. So I would yes, I would like to show here how can you convert this wide form of data set into long form in STATA. But this is the file in yeah, CSV or Excel. So I will first convert this data into STATA. I will import this data into STATA. Then I will show you how you convert this data into the long form. Okay, just wait. uh, I'm going to open STATA. This is STATA file. Just import. How to import CSV file? Just import this Excel file, and this file is in my desktop folder, data test. This is data test folder. I just show you, and this is open. Okay, open. Just click and open, and this is your file, and this is your that. But we have to mention here, this ABCD is the column number, column name. So we have to save to the starter. This is our, these are the our variables. So we have to import first row is the name of variable. So I click check here. If you have some extra row selected, you can just say range here. Then after this process, I'm just doing okay. Then your data looks like this. Okay, this is our data with household ID. And just in, I browse here, this is your same data which I show you in this Excel database, and this is same. So uh, uh, okay, let's see here. This is first household record, but the data in the age of one, age one means first member of the household. Age 2 means age of the second member of household. Age 3 is the age of the third member of household, like this. And education and marital status and all data is here. But we have to convert this wide form of data into the long form of data, this long form of data. So what to do then? This is your data. Just open, just open do uh, do file editor, and you have to use a reshape command. Okay, reshape command. Just I'm writing here reshape, reshape, reshape. Then what we are going to here? We are going to here. Uh, just look this data. Yes, reshape this household id, we have to going this variable into long form, age variable into long form, but it's repeated 1 2 3 4 5 times. So I'm just write long. You are going to change in long form. If you want to change in wide form, let's just write wide long form. Then variable, which variable you want to convert into long form. I first want to age variable, the age 1, age 2, age 3, age 4, age 5, but you have to only use age. Okay, age, not 1 2 3. This is the individual id, this is the household member id, 1 2 3 4 5. I will use this after. And education, and married, yeah, and uh, married, and then we have again married, and this light source, and these are not individual member variable, so this is a household variable. Just leave this, don't put here, because they are not repeated like this. Okay, this is household for common all. This light source is same for all members, water source is same for all members in household, so there is not s1 s2 s3, so just leave it, and now comma, then you have to give uh, id, then I leave 1 2 3 4. This is the member id. Okay, so you have to write I, first member I, is your what, this is your just I show you data here. Yeah, you have to first id, this household id for, you are going to convert all data of one household first. Okay, so this is first id, second id, third id. So you have to take this household id, which is the main id of here. So you take hhid, hhid, and then just see here, then j means j means this id, this is I, main id is I, and this j means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the this is the your JID. So J IDs, but this is not given here. So you have to make, this is the personal user ID. Okay, personal user ID means, or personal ID, personal member ID. Okay, personal member ID, PID. This is person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, person 5, like this. The personal ID. And now just run this command. Uh, yeah. So the total number of observations 7, and total number of variables 18. Now they are converting to total number of observations like this. Okay, so now your data looks like this. Okay, totally, and just see, we are, this is your this is your this this is your long form of data. Could you can you see this light source and water source? We didn't add in the do file, but they appear. This means this light source is common for all household members, so we will not use in the reshaping command. Just to observe here, this is first household one. There are four record, one, two, three, four. There are four record in household one, and this is five. One, two, three, four, five. This is five recorded, five members. So member one, member two, member three, member four. These are the member ID, and this is whole. This is the household ID. One, one, one. Two, 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 two. Just to observe here. Two, two, two. And this is age. And but this two means lighting code two each for all members is same. So this is repeated. Water of source is also all members were same. So this is repeated. So in this way you can convert your wide form of data into uh, long form of data. But this is the case when there is only household is unique ID. But if this data is looks like panel, for example, this household is taken for year 2001, and again this household taken for year 2001, then this makes so many panel sets. So just to check my next video, I will make the this how to this conversion of panel data into the long form data. Just to watch it uh, and give the comment. Thank you very much.